Tatawa ako sa mga abangers talaga. Ano, hindi kayo busy? Anyway, this is part 6. Part 6 of how we met and started ni Hergy. So, nasa na ba ako? So yun, nakipagkaibigan nga ako dun sa girlfriend niya. Ex-girlfriend, kasi they broke up na nga. Because, for some reason, na hindi pa ako yung reason ng time na yun. They have other reasons bakit they broke up. Kasi nga, diba, the ex posted Hergy about the accusations and scandal or whatever. We became good friends. For me, we became good friends. We have late night talks. And I felt her. I really felt her. She's a really, really nice person, a very generous person, and she really loves Hergy. Though they haven't met each other, like, they have this, parang internet jowa sila, parang ganun. So, like, LDR sila. So, meaning to say, they haven't met each other in person pa. I told her nga, sayang, di mo matikman ang layo mo. Pero joke-joke lang naman yun. I just, wanted to make her feel na everything's gonna be okay and there's a reason why things are happening. So I told her na I will still continue seeing Hergy so we would know ano ba talagang karakas ng tao na to. And ano ba talaga yung mga modus nila. Ganon. Kasi like, the ex ng 5 years ago pa ata niya, ex yun. Nagalit. Sobrang galit na galit. Yung ex na niya na 5 years ago na yun was telling everyone na Hergy and the whole family has this modus na like parang nanggagancho sila ng mga tao. And then, they have this revolving fund daw na dinadaposit lahat daw ng pera doon. Tapos, yun daw yung ginagamit nila for their everyday use, for everyday expenses. Shook talaga ako kasi parang, meron pala mga ganun tao. Like, dinamin nila yung full family, the sisters, the mother, the father. Like, I felt very sad for the whole family kasi bakit nila gagawin yun if totoo man yun I was super shocked. Kasi I felt na, shocks, ang naive ko. Hindi ko na-feel na may ganong modus sa akin sa Hergy. Kilig na kilig pa ako. Tapos yung pala, biktima na pala ako. Ganon yung na-feel ko noon. Kasi wala akong na-feel na anything na ganong vibes kay Hergy. Like, she's really genuine and nice and kind and gentleman. So, I told her ex na, sige, alamin natin ang totoo. So, nakipagkita ako kay Hergy. Yan.